Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review video on the new, I guess you call it, cell phone app called Wi-Fi Cash Bot. Now, this product is not out yet, and there's no reviews available to anyone at this point. But this is a $17 product. It drops down to $3 when you click away. It comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee, and it's from one of the top internet marketers, Glenn Klosky. So unfortunately, I don't have a demo, but what he's saying is that in just in 30 seconds, you click on the phone and you start making $1,000 a day. I know that sounds unbelievable, which is sounds unbelievable, but as I said before, no one has a review copy because it's not out yet. So you can check it out. By the time it's released, you may be able to go to the site and see a demo or see a demo online. So he's talking about it has made $34,000 in 2028. So it has 5 income streams from one 30-second click. You don't do the videos. You don't sell anything. You just tap and get paid. So folks, this is an excellent opportunity based on what I'm reading here. As I said before, it's only going to cost you maybe about $15 to get started, and Glenn Klosky is giving you a 180-day money-back guarantee. So you can't lose, folks. As I said, I know you'd rather have a demo, see exactly how it works, but it's not available yet. Once this video has been made before the product is actually been released, so you can check it out, get more information. By the time you see this video, you can click the link below, and the site will show more information. Thanks for watching my videos, Larry Kearney, and I see everyone in the next video.